Climate change. One of the major current global problems is heavily driven by the depletion of fossil resources for the production of fuels and chemicals. To mitigate the impact of climate change, it would therefore be desirable to make the switch from a fossil-based towards a more bio-based circular economy. And to achieve this major goal, one step could be to utilize locally grown lignocellulosic biomass, such as poplar wood, for the production of biofuels and biochemicals. The problem here is that this is not yet commercially viable. And the main reason for that is the complex aromatic heteropolymer lignin. Lignin is a part of the plant cell walls, and it gives strength and rigidity to plants. But as I said, it's also one of the major obstacles in converting lignocellulosic biomass towards bioethanol. It would therefore be desirable to generate plants that have a lower amount of lignin whilst maintaining their yield. I'm Chantal from the group of Walt Boyan, and today I would like to talk about CRISPRing trees for a climate-friendly economy. So in the last decades, our research group focused a lot on elucidating lignin biosynthetic pathway genes and also translating our research finding into bioenergy crops. And what we often saw is that when targeting genes in a lignin biosynthetic pathway, is that we see a lower amount of lignin, but we also see a severe yield penalty, so we get small plants. And that is not desirable. Therefore, in my project, we decided to target a gene that is located upstream of the lignin biosynthetic pathway, namely transaldolase 2. So we target transaldolase 2 in Populus tremula alba via CRISPR-Cas9, so we knock it out with the idea that we reduce the carbon flux that goes overall into the pathway, maybe even redirecting it towards other useful metabolites. And by employing this strategy, we actually got plants that had a 17% reduction in the lignin amount, a 9% increase in cellulose, and an up to 31% increase in saccharification efficiency when compared to the wild-type plants. So overall, these were already really great results, and we got them without seeing any yield penalty in the greenhouses. So in the end, we heard it today already, it's always important to test your plants in the field to see what the impacts are. So we are currently doing the first CRISPR poplar field trial in Belgium. And if you would like to know more, please come to my poster. Thank you for your attention.